I only make ground beef like this now. No bake, fast, and easy. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground beef. You can use your favorite blend. Add salt to taste, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of rosemary. Now mix that very well. I'm using my hands because it's easier. And you have to mix well so that the meat starts to stick together. You can scoop up 1/3 of the beef and flatten it out with your hand. And add spaghetti. I used around 1/4 amount if you measure wrapping your pointer and your thumb around it. Press and smooth the beef around the pasta like so. And you can actually use as much pasta as you like. I repeated this twice, so I made 3 servings. Don't forget to tell me below where you are watching from so that I can send you a shout out in the next video. Once you finish, add a dash of oil to a saucepan and start cooking the beef. Seal the meat on one side, then flip it to seal it all around. Once the meat is sealed, add 1 chopped onion and 3 chopped garlic cloves. After a few minutes, add 1 chopped tomato, half of a red bell pepper, chopped, and 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of tomato extract. Mix that and add the liquid. Cover the pan and let it cook for 8 minutes. Once the pasta has cooked, add mozzarella cheese over top to make it even better. Cover the pan again so that it melts. And it's done! This pasta is delicious! And that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye, you guys!